How did you get the Dalai Lama to write the foreword?
It's easy because
Yeah?
it was very easy because actually the idea of the mini company started from 1983 or so when I worked with the company. It was a natural thing to do because there are lots of Mexican people. This is called the Fireplace Manufacturers Inc., maybe 150. And I wanted to empower. They are absorbing everything I say about the housekeeping and the PDCA and the mini company, annual report, and quality improvement, setup time reduction, layout change. So it was natural that it happened. So from that time, the idea, I kept it. So along with the lean, I had the managerial system to mesh together. And I have worked with the top management, the middle management, shop floor management to see what's going on in the company. And I could picture the bottleneck managerially, but also from the flow, lean point of view. So my approach has been visiting company every 2 weeks or month or every 3 months, depending on the situation. So it's been always like that because it's the ownership of them. I cannot push them. I was the catalyst to make the change. And I have been successful. And when the idea of the mini company, that was a long time ago, but after the 2 books, and there's a company in Spain, I talked about Ubisa in Burgos. If you have a chance, if you have a chance, you should go visit and you can use my name. They may still remember because I visited them maybe 10 times and they got the European Quality Award. So those are the background, and they also implement the mini company. And when I wrote the 3rd book, that was because of the Spanish friend who I helped them, Becker, the consultant in the Bilbao office in the other location in Spain. I worked with them for 20-some years, and they pushed me to write another book, the 3rd book. So I said, oh, I'm not ready, but I wrote it. So when I finished it, I put those mini company idea and everything. But this idea of the mini company had the connection to the Buddhist sutra, Kegon Sutra, which I put into the book. And like I said, whoever understands this idea must be Dalai Lama. So that's the simple reason I wrote and sent the book, and please. And they said there are 300 books and you're not one of them. So I explained the idea of the mini company using the idea of the Buddha nature. Every grain has the universe inside of it. Every human being, they have the potential to be the Buddhahood, to self-manage and enlighten. So I explained that. First they rejected, but then they agreed. So he sent me the forward. So that's the story. It's the same as my book. At the beginning, I wasn't sure about the book. And when I wrote it, this should work. I spent 3 months and all the book is done. And then there are 3 companies who want to publish. So I choose one. And, that's how things happen. So